Okay, right now I'm making khao chi. Taking some khao niao, making it into a little patty.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice, khao niao. Khao niao is sticky rice in Thai.
Sorry.
And then I'm going to dip it in the egg here. Let it soak up. Flip it over.
We need more sticky rice, but we eat a lot yesterday already.
So then, what you do, wipe your hand off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this oil in this already heated pan. Not a whole lot.
You can turn on the light. We have the light yesterday, but dropped. The one you buy.
Alright. Then, take this khao niao, stick your rice, and I'm going to put it in this pan here. Just like that.
And keep the eggs for a dog.
Yeah, get the rest of the eggs for the dog. So if you never had this, it's so good. Something they sell usually in the morning in Thailand.
Look, another car.
Dogs. Their dogs are walking around there. Hannah, no. No, not too bad. How is it, babe?
This tastes good, crispy.
You can eat the whole thing.
We can make more, you know. Tastes good.
Kind of neat having this to wash dishes, huh?
Yeah, easy.
Yeah. A little easier than using our own sink, our own water. So after you're done, we'll fill up our tank with water and be on our way.
And the water is still cold.
Oh, it's cold, huh? Good.
Yeah.
It's very slow.
Normally too fast, you know.
You wanna? Yeah, I just didn't turn the water. Maybe you could come out. Can you hold the hose like this? Okay, we are doing our laundry now. We got the bed all kind of stripped down.
Because some girl.
Yeah, this girl right here tends to make mistakes sometimes, huh, Hannah? Hannah, you make mistakes, don't you?
Yeah.
You don't go outside. Hey, Harry, what are you doing? Washing your clothes, our clothes.
I try to clean all.
Yeah. I feel like some French fries.
Burger King. Tila, thank you for do this, huh?
Okay, right now we are at Burger King. Something we don't do too often is eat out or fast food. Definitely not restaurants. But
Today we miss French fry.
yeah, oh, Sue wants French fries, so
Sue, you say Sue,
yeah, you,
not you.
not me, you, Sue.
No, because you say, oh, I miss French fry.
No, I never said that. You miss French fry.
No.
All right, I'm just gonna get out of line. But we're using the app. If you never use the Burger King app, definitely download it. It's a great app. Good deals. And I don't know if they have it anymore, but they used to have Dollar Whopper Wednesday. So it was good, you know, it was great. All right, Burger King time now. Yes, Burger King. Yes. Heather, it's not for you.
No, Heather, she said yes the same.
Yeah.
Not you.
Napkin.
Heather, no.
We have a little bit of water. Ketchup.
Have a lot.
Good. I want a lot of ketchup. We need ketchup.
They give a lot of French fries, you see?
Good. Wow, that's nice.
Wow. See?
Mm.
Heather, no.
Wow.
Junior.
It's a junior.
We need
But not too bad. Look at that.
Heather, wait, no, stay. I miss when we make by ourselves, you know. Maybe we can try to do.
That Burger King seems so disorganized. We had to wait in line so long, but we get these awesome made burgers. A lot of times they're just kind of like tiny little piece of lettuce. French fries aren't even full, but this time we got great burgers and really full French fries. Thumbs up to that Burger King. And we're on FM 160 Street, Humble, Texas. Okay, we're at Aldi's right now, food market. Our friend Brad told us about this place, and truly they have some great prices in here. Really good prices. So we're back here, we're gonna shop again. It's our second time here, and we're gonna load up on food again. Yeah, let's see what they got.
Look at this.
What's that for? Cheaper, huh?
But for pro, not for
Yeah, just they lowered the price, yeah. But it's still kind of high, but
Yeah.
what about tilapia? You want it?
Yes, we can.
406. 412,
Oh, I
390.
see mine too.
There's 390 right here. Is that enough or you want more?
More.
All right.
2 piece, but
Well, it is 2-piece. 423. How about that one?
okay. They don't have the plastic bags, but
All right, Dave, we coming out of Aldi's right now. What'd you buy, honey? Some pork.
this is the one.
I got some tamales. I'm kind of excited about that. Got some blueberries too.
And
I need a healthy
tilapia
brain.
again.
Tilapia. Got good brain food for my course that I'm going to take right now.